Starting August 12, 2019, American Sugar Refining will be using a new TMS. To access this TMS, go to app.tms.bluejaysolutions.net. This video will show you how to register, request access to the American Sugar scheduler, as well as schedule a load. If you have any questions or issues in trying to schedule your loads, please email asrcpu@asr-group.com. The first step is to get registered with BlueJay. You'll go to app.tms.bluejaysolutions.net. From here, you want to click on third-party registration. Once you click on third-party registration, there'll be a pop-up to fill in your registration information. All fields with an asterisk are required. Fill in all the required fields and any additional fields you would like. Select your time zone. You may specify any units of measure you would like, date and number format, and preferred language. Check to accept terms of service and click the box, I am not a robot. From there, you hit save. Once you've submitted your registration request, you'll be sent an email. When you receive this email, click the link to activate your account. You'll be brought to the TMS Activate Account page. From there, you can enter in your password and hit save. You will then be brought to the login screen. Put in your username, password, and hit login. If you get an error that your username and password are not recognized, be sure you're typing in the correct username. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to a page with privacy notices. You will need to go to the far right, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and click accept. Once you've accepted the privacy notice, your screen will look like this. You'll click Actions and Request Access. From there, a box will pop up. Under Company, select American Sugar Refining and hit Search. To schedule for American Sugar Refining in the United States, you'll want to select American Sugar Refining, United States Third-Party Appointment Scheduling Registration Form. There's a comment box that's required. You'll want to type in 1 to 3 companies that you're servicing for American Sugar. From there, you'll hit Request Access. You'll receive an email that your access has been approved. All emails from BlueJay will come from noreply@tms.bluejaysolutions.net. Once your access is approved, you can log in. I've put in my username, password, and click Login. This is what the new BlueJay scheduler looks like. Be sure it says American Sugar Refining at the top under Account. Before searching for your first load, we want to make sure you set up your advisors. This is where you set up to receive email notifications about any changes to your loads. You want to click Create New. Title it however you would like. I'm going to call it ASR Notifications. We recommend you select all. You'll click Save. Close the window. Now we're going to do our first search. I'm going to paste in 4 order numbers. You can use a comma or a space in between. You can also search using a PO or a delivery number. For the geography, you want to use the 2-character state abbreviation for the pickup location. You then click Search. I can see 2 of these orders do not have an appointment. Those are shown in blue. 2 orders currently have an appointment that's requested. It's not yet confirmed. Those are shown in white with an appointment status below. So we want to schedule these two loads on the same truck. You can see they're a low weight, they can go on the same truck. So I'm going to click both loads and then consolidate selected. I want to specify the sequence. Say this first load will be second and this next load will be delivered first. From there, I'm going to say update shipments and manage appointment. Once you get to the scheduling screen, you'll select the date for your pickup appointment and then click Show Open Appointments. So I've selected August 28th and I'm going to pick an appointment for 1400. You can put in any comments. From here, I'm going to hit Submit Request. My appointment's been requested, as you can see up at the top, and I'm going to go to Previous Shipment Search. And you can see now that both have requested appointments. If I go to my email, I have an email from noreply@tms.bluejsolutions.net that says a new appointment has been requested, and it has the information provided, pickup location, shipper reference number, customer PO, delivery number for the first load and also for the second. Once your appointment is confirmed, you'll receive an email that it's confirmed. And if I do a search, I can now see that this first set of orders now confirmed for the 23rd. And here's my confirmation number. If at any time you need to change a load, let's say we want to remove these two from being grouped together, you can go to the drop down, void consolidation, hit go, put a comment in, hit continue, and close. If I hit search again, you can see my loads now are not scheduled and they're separated. So I'm going to click on this first load. So if at any time you want to schedule a single load, this is the approach. You'll type in your number, your state, click the box for that individual load, and go to Appoint Selected as Live. From here, you'll follow the same steps. Select a date, show open appointments, select an available time, hit Submit Request. You'll receive an email just as you do for consolidated loads saying that it's requested, and then you'll receive another email once it's confirmed and you'll have a confirmation number. If you have any questions or need any additional assistance, please email asrcpu@asr-group.com and we'll be happy to help.